So open up the link that has been sent to you over the SMS. Just open the SMS and click on the link. It will automatically open up in your browser. So this is the home page of the application. You need to click on the top right button and there's an option that says add it to home screen. Click on add and a notification will be sent that it has been added. Now go back to your phone screen. Like any normal application, this app will be shown in the form of an icon. Click on the icon. So this is the home page of the application. On the top there are certain numbers and email IDs which you can use anytime in case you are facing any technical issues with the application. First page is of admin login. This has to be used by Team IHS, so you don't need to log in here. Click on the top right button right here. So there are various login panels that are displayed: admin login, BM login, ABM login, TBM and trainer login. So you need to click on TBM login. Once you do so, the page will open up. All you need to do is enter your Abbott email ID, which is a username for each one of you. The password is BeFit Yoga. Currently, it is a universal password which can be changed later on. After entering the password, click on submit. So this is the home page of the application, which says my dashboard after you have logged in. So it is a perfect screenshot of all the camp entries that you have done. It shows you how many sessions are lined up for the day, how many sessions have been added up, along with your email address, phone number. And if you need to have any camp entry details incomplete, you just need to go down and see all the details. On the top left, there is a comprehensive listing option which says dashboard, new session, and various other options which are self-explanatory. So let's just make a mock entry now. To make a mock entry, all you need to do is click on new session. A page like this will open up. Click on add new, and then there is again a very well description options of the options that are required to fill in a camp entry. All these steps are mandatory, so make sure you're filling each and every box with the corrected information. Select the date of the camp, put in the start time, put in the end time, type in the clinic or hospital name, then you need to type in the doctor's name. This is just a hypothetical entry, guys. Now you need to type the complete address of the hospital. Please ensure that you're writing the exact complete address because the trainer has to report to the same venue. So your address needs to be really well explained and be completely put up. So once you have entered the hospital address, select the city. So there is a 192 city options that are listed down. Doctor type, private or government, camp type, in clinic or out clinic. Then you need to type the doctor's ID, which is the DGS ID, DJL ID, I'm so sorry. Once you've typed in that, write the expected number of participants. So be sure how many participants are you expecting. Be sure to put in this detail, because in case if any refreshments or logistics are required, the arrangements can be done accordingly. So if you require refreshments, click on yes. If you require logistics, yes or no. Any other remarks? This is an optional option. Apart from that, all the options are mandatory. And then click on save. A notification will appear, record added successfully. Now to see your recently done entry, again go back to the top left button, click on new sessions, and here on the very top, the very first entry is the recently made entry. So you need to scroll right to see the complete details so that you can cross check. These are the previously done entries. Let's say how we can now edit, update or delete any camp entry. Scroll right, there's a column that says action. So there are 3 buttons that are displayed for every entry: yellow, green and red. Yellow is to update, green is to view and red is to delete. So let's just try updating the information. Click on yellow button to update. Let's just update the time here. Go down, click on save. You need to fill in the refreshment and logistics information again and click on save. As you can see, record updated successfully. So you can go back to the top left menu option again just to see whether your record has been added or not. So we change the time, which is clearly displayed over here. Now just in case you need to delete any entry, all you need to do is scroll right, go to the action column and then click on the red button, which is the delete button. You just click on this. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Go down and click on delete. So your record has been deleted successfully. Now go back to the top left menu option again. So this is this comprehensive listing which says all sessions. So you can see all your session entries done here. Pending allotment, then there is assigned trainers, then there is today's session, this week's sessions, completed sessions, cancelled sessions and logout. And again the all session listing down here. If you want to export the information to Excel, you need to click on all sessions. On the top right is this blue button, that is the export to Excel button. Just click on this. So your information has been exported to Excel successfully. You can just open it. I'm just displaying you how it is done. Okay, here is your exported Excel information. The same application can be used over a desktop also. In case if you need the information for report sharing, it becomes really easy. Now go back to the app again.